Shark Puppet, wake up! Ugh, Cuphead, what do you want? Can you see I'm trying to sleep right now? Dude, you're going to Florida for 3 days, and you had to get ready for tomorrow. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess I'll see you when you get back home, Shark Puppet. Bye, Cuphead. Bye, Shark Puppet.
The next day.
Ew, alright, let's head into the car.
1 minute later.
Ready, sis? Alright, let's go.
5 minutes later. Little longer than a few minutes later.
Ew, finally, some Wendy's.
80,000 impressions later. Would you please stop imitating me? It is starting to get very annoying.
Teacher Max has a lot of stuff. Whoa! Tyrone Mall is huge! Shout out to Sharky Boy. Chick-fil-A! I wanna eat Chick-fil-A. I'm hungry anyway. Ew, Old Navy's. Stairs. They even got more stairs. That's a lot. No. Auntie Andy's. I'm gonna go get some Auntie Auntie's. Ooh, the cinnamon one. My favorite one. There's Tyrone Mall we went to.
Meanwhile.
Alright guys, this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, peace.